Now we are discussing the priority queue. Well, whenever all the elements are given some priority and based on that they are given a chance, that is called a priority queue. So many times you have seen that whenever we are going in some of the queue and maybe in that queue there is some specific person which is having a close relation to the person who is dealing with the queue, or maybe if I am going to purchase a ticket, then the ticket counter is having a specific relation with some of the persons standing in the queue, then that person is given the top priority and that will be issued ticket first. So based on the priority we give everybody a chance, and this is called the priority queue. So here we are having a diagram in which we are having 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So these are nothing but the priorities. We know that queue is having the rear and the front. Rear always point to the last element onto the queue, and talking about the front always point to the first element in the queue. We know that whenever we talk about the insertion take place from the rear side. And if we talk about the deletion, then deletion always take from the front side. Except these things, we are having the priorities which are assigned to the queue elements. So the first element, which is the 9, that is given the high priority. So 9 is having the high priority. Now talking about the last element, which is 1, is given the lowest priority. So 1 is given the lowest priority. So based upon the high priority to low priority, all the elements are assigned. So the priority is having the 9 is high, then going from 9 towards the 1, the priority is becoming low. So that means the first chance for processing will be given to the 9. So first of all, this 9 will be processed because it is having the high priority. Then afterward 8, then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 1 is the lowest priority which will giving the last chance. So in a queue, all the people who are standing, they are giving us a priority, and based upon the priority they are assigned to the queue. This is called the priority queue, or we can say that it is the collection of elements in which each element is assigned a priority. Means all the elements which are present in the queue, they are giving some priority, and according to the priority elements are deleted and processed as per the following rules. So if I talk about the rules, then the first rule says that the highest priority element is processed before the lower priority element. Means if two elements are there, then whosoever is the high priority, that will be processed first. Now talking about the second rule, then two elements with the same priority are processed according to the order in which they are added to queue. That means if two elements are there and they both are having the same priority, now out of that one will be processed for sure. So if the two elements are having same priority, then the chance will given to that element who was entered into the queue first. So that will be given the first chance. So that is all about the priority queue. Now if we talk about the example of the queue. So the example of priority queue is time sharing system. If we talk about the time sharing system, then obviously there is a processor who is sharing the time with the different processes. Now, whenever you see the processes, there are so many processes into the system. There are some user processes, there are some system processes. User may be performing some action like printing, maybe he is doing some output or input task, but there are some system processes, just like they are operating on the hard disk. These are some high priority tasks. Maybe if the CPU is performing some low priority task, maybe the user task, maybe printing and something, if high priority task comes, maybe scanning the system or maybe booting the system, then CPU leave all the low priority task and work on the system defined task. So that is the time sharing system, which is the example of priority queue. Priority is given to the system tasks because the system tasks are most important as compared to the user task. So whenever the tasks are given some priority and based on that they are processed. So this is called the priority queue.